Hey, it's Matt with 911R on Range Trailer Avant-Garde, and today we want to walk around and talk about this 2002 Mercedes SL500 Silver Arrows Edition. This car is a local car. It's been within the same family since it's basically a year old, so it's really pretty much a one-owner car. It was a elderly couple that we picked up the car from here in Scottsdale, and so we just want to kind of walk around and kind of see the condition of the car. The Silver Arrows cars had really cool black and gray leather interior. They have the upgraded wood in it. There's a Silver Arrows inlay on the dash above the shifter. You get the two-tone shifter, kind of the engine turned aspect on the shifter, plus around the gauges in the car. The darker wood, special door sills, just a lot of little details on the Silver Arrows car. This car was a certified pre-owned when they bought it. The car was like a year old. So again, it's like I said, this car is basically a one-owner car. Makes it pretty special. I did a top operation video. If you look at that, you can see the soft top is in really nice shape. The rear window is very clear and not screwed up. All the stitching and everything on the soft top is good. The hard top's in great shape. And we just kind of come around to the engine bay. Engine bay, just like this bulletproof era Mercedes, really clean, really good. We did a compression test on the car, and the compression's all very good all the way across. Runs out really good. The Silver Arrows have a special wheel on them with kind of a stainless steel trim, the aluminum 6-spoke wheel. You get a special badge here on the side as well. And just kind of come around, you can see how nice the paint is on this car. Obviously, it's always been stored indoors and taken care of. It's not some old crusty Mercedes. This one is a sharp condition. Let's see here, the trunk, nice trunk. It's got the CD changer, the first aid kit, the little tool kit, all the stuff that comes with one of these cars. This car we have gone through and done a service on the car and inspected everything, so we feel like it's really great shape. So bid with confidence on this one. If you have any questions on selling your car with 911R, hit us up with the contact seller button, or any other questions about anything from shipping to the condition of this car or any other cars, use the contact seller button. Happy to talk about it. Thank you.